Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Riyadul Hassan Mahfouz, the lecturer, ICT lecturer of Dhaka Megacity College. And now I am starting your ICT class of class 10. And today's topic is, today's chapter is chapter number 2. We are discussing about chapter number 2, computer and the security of the user. So, in chapter number 2, we are going to discuss about the computer and its security. Okay. First topic, we are just going to discuss that the importance of computer maintenance. All of us have a computer and we are going to work with it. You have to work with it, and so it has some maintenance. It has to some maintenance, but if don't you maintain your computer, then your computer will be slow. You cannot do work with it as much as you, as faster as you can. Such kind of problem will be created. But if you just maintain your computer, like erase your memory data, erase your cache data, you erase your unimportant file or unused file, erase from the computer, then your computer will be fast and your memory will be then you will get some space in memory and your computer will be fast. And in computer we have some a point that cache memory. So this part will be always clear to maintain the computer, and run disk cleanup, and we have to clean up our unimportant data from the computer. If we clean the computer's unimportant data, erase the unimportant file or some unused data, then we will get some space in our memory and we can use computer more faster than previous. This is the first topic, the importance of maintenance computer. So you have to maintain your computer. You have to work with it, and you have to just maintain this part, and this is very important for your computer for computer longevity. Then software installation and uninstallation. This is very easy part. When you just install a software, then you just ask shop to get the particular software, and you go and you just take the software by pen drive from the shop. Then you just enter your computer and just transfer it to your computer memory. Then you just click the installation and installation part and double click after that finish. Like way, in this way, just you install the software. And if you install the software, then say go to the right button, and here will be an installation part, and you install it and do some procedure. Then your software will be uninstalled. Okay. It is very easy part that in a computer to install a software and uninstall a software. So I think you will just you have a habit to done this. Okay. Next, importance of using password and antivirus for the security of data, computer data and software. Password is very important thing. When we go out, why do we just lock our home when we go out? Because this is safety purpose. So our computer data, software and security purpose, we use the password. Then our data will be saved. Then also our computer will be saved. Okay. Antivirus for security purpose. Okay. Antivirus is very important part. We know virus is very harmful for our computer. Virus for security purpose, we just use some antivirus like Kaspersky, Avast. This type of antivirus we use to secure our computer data and software from damaging or destroying our data. Okay, this is very important part, and using password, and you have to use some password in your computer or in your data part. Then you will just the then your data will be saved. Next point is difference between general site and social site. There are two types of site. One is general site and two is social site. Social site, we are very much famous about social site, but general site is also famous. Like general site, something that Yahoo, Hotmail, Gmail, we use all. Okay, these sites are general sites. In example, and social sites you know very well. Social sites is Facebook, Instagram, Viber, Twitter, such kind of software, such kind of things are in general site. Yes, social site. Okay, so you just clearly understand that the social site and general sites have difference. In social site, we just work with person to person, and in social site we are just using as a family or as a whole network. Okay, the importance of troubleshooting. Importance of troubleshooting. And troubleshooting means your computer has some, will face some problem tomorrow. Okay, one day after using a computer after 6 months or 1 year, you will just face some problem. Like your computer is not starting up, your monitor is not viewed or making beep sound or suddenly off your computer. Such kind of problem will be arise. In troubleshooting part, we will just discuss about these problems and how we can just make it recover. Fine. So I will just say two points that if your computer is not starting up, then you can check your main connection or main connection or main power. If your power is not switch on mode, then your computer will not start. Such kind of things will be required if your computer is not starting up. First point, if your computer is not starting up, then you will just check your main power, whether it is on or off. Then connection, your connection is okay or not. Such kind of things. Okay, next is nothing viewed in your monitor. If you didn't see anything in your monitor or your monitor is not opening, then you have to check your connection, and further, if anything is not possible, then you can open your CPU and remove the RAM from the slot, and then you can check again and again. Then try, and hopefully if there is no mandatory or major problem, then this problem will be solved. Making beep sound. When your computer use, there will be some problem. One kind of problem is while you just using your computer, then computer will just making sound, beep sound. Then it's the problem of RAM. If your RAM is not sufficient for the CPU, then this kind of problem will be occur. Okay. There are also some troubleshooting problems in our computer, or some problems in our computer. These problems and solving these problems are called troubleshooting. If you use computer, then arise different kind of problem, and to solving this process or whole about the process is called troubleshooting. So importance of troubleshooting. So if you are not able to recover this problem, then you have to go to expert, and you have to remove your problem or solve your problem. Then prepare a unique password. If you have to use many things. In social site you have to give password, in computer you have to give password, in other sites, in every types of internet site you have to give some password. So you have to ensure that your password is secured enough. If your password is not secure enough, then several times they can. Like hacker can hack your password, or hacker can hack your data. Then anyone can enter your personal data, such kind of thing will be happening if your password is not unique. But how we can make a unique password? To make a unique password, we have to use number, say 1, 2, 3, 4, alphabet A, B, C, and also some sign like at the rate of Yahoo star sign. If we mix this kind of things at a time in a password, then it will be a unique and strong password. Your password must be strong. If your password is not strong, then your device will not save from hacker, from others. Okay. So we have just learned about that your unique password, preparing the unique password. So from today we are just discussing about this 5 or 6 topic. In our very next class, we are just going to further topic in this chapter number 2, that is computer and security system of the user. Hopefully you all will be all are understand these topics. Okay, thank you for the next class. In next class I will discuss about the next topics of this chapter. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.